Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Max Logic Solution. Today's topic is unit digit tricks. Okay, then part 1. We have to take three numbers 0, 1, 5, 6. These four numbers have the same characteristics. For example, 45 raised to 123, which is the unit place after finding the exponent. 45 raised to 120, this is a very large number, so without calculation you have to find the unit digit of this answer. Okay, for that, if the numbers here in the unit place, if the numbers, which of the numbers arriving from this list, any numbers arriving from this list 0, 1, 5, 6, so the unit digit become, or unit digit or the ones place number become 5. If for example 126 raised to 24, 126 raised to 24, then here is the ones place number is 6, so we have to write the unit digit or the ones place number become 6. In the same way, 1 raised to 424, definitely the unit digit become 1 or ones place become 1. In the same way, the 0 raised to 529, the unit digit or ones place become 0. Clear? Then we have to use this method only for the numbers ending with 0, 1, 5, 6. So another examples for the same section. So 526 raised to 1245. If the number is ending with, this number is ending with 6, so its ones place number or unit place number is 6. Okay, so another example, 185 raised to 89. So here the unit place number is 5, so the answer is also become 5. This is the unit digit tricks of 0, 1, 5 and 6. So we move to the another part for another numbers, that is 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9. These, if the numbers are ending with these numbers, after calculating, after finding the exponent, the unit digit or ones place number is also the little different between with this section, this part 1. Okay, then move to the another part of this video. Our part 2 is 4 and 9. If a number is ending with 4 or 9, these 4 and 9 have the same procedure or same characteristics or same rules. Okay, if a number, we have to consider with 4 raised to 123. 4 raised to 123. So, which is the unit place number or ones place number after calculating this exponent, after finding the answer. Without calculation, we have to write that you just give the importance to the exponent. Here the exponent is 123. 123 is an odd number. If for example, for the general rule of this one is, if 4 is to n is odd, the unit digit number is 4. If n is odd, the unit digit number is 4. N is even, the unit digit number is 6. This is the rule for the number is ending with 4 or 4 raised to any number, 4 raised to any large number. So using this rule, we have to find the answers. 4 raised to this same one, 4 raised to 123. 123 is an odd number. If n is odd, the unit digit number or ones place digit is 4. So our answer become 4. Next one, 4 raised to 256. Then we check with the exponent. Here is 256. This is an even number. If n is an even, so we get the unit digit number become 6. In next example, 4 raised to 1384. Just check with the exponent. The exponent is an even number. So if it is n is an even, you have to write that the unit digit number is 4. So the answer of these numbers, after finding the exponent of these numbers, the unit digit become 4. Clear? This is the rule of 4. The same way, the rule for 9. If any number 9 raised to n, 9 raised to n, if n is odd, the unit digit number or the ones place number is 1. If n is even, the unit digit number or ones place number is, sorry, if it is odd, it is 9, and if n is an even, it is 1. Okay, because 9 raised to 1 is equal to 9. 9 raised to 2 is equal to 9 into 9, that is equal to 81. So here is the last one is, last digit is 1. And here is a 2 is an even number. So n is an even number, the unit place number is 1. If n is an odd number, unit place number is 9. Okay, so using this rule, we have to find the answers of the sum of the problems. 9 raised to 25. 9 raised to 25 and 9 raised to 258. Okay, first question, 9 raised to 25. After finding the exponent, the unit digit here is 25. N is an odd number. So the unit digit number of this 9 raised to 25 is 9. Without any calculation, we have to write directly the answer. So move to this 9 raised to 258. 9 raised to 258. 258 is an even number. So after the calculation of the exponent, if n is an even, the unit place number is 1. So the answer of this 9 raised to 258, the unit place number is, yeah, exactly, that is 1. So this is our answer. So we move to the another part. Another part become, this is a little different between for the unit place number 3. Okay, so that can be here to write the another part 3 in the case of 3. Part 3 for 3. Okay. The little change for this only, okay, this 3 only. This rule can be only, we have to use for 3, the number 3, the unit place number 3, okay. So for example, we have to find the unit place number of 243 raised to 125. Then after calculating, after finding the exponent or power of this number, the unit place number, which is the unit place number, it is a very large number, so we can only look for the exponent. Here is an exponent is 125. Okay, after we have to, our second step, we have to divide 125 with 4. Okay, 125 with 4. So we get, here is 3, 12, 0. We have to write 5 here, and 1 4s are 4. So that is equal to 1. So our remainder become 1. After that, we have to write 3 raised to n. 3 raised to n is equal to, then we put the remainder in the place of n. 3 raised to 1, that is equal to 3. So after calculating this one, after calculating the large numbers or the power of these large numbers, we get the unit place number is 3. Another example, 243 raised to 24. The same way, first we concentrating on the exponent 24. Our second step become, we have to divide 24 with 4. So we get 5 4s are 20, and 4 is here, and 4 is the remainder. Okay, so using the third step become 3 raised to n, that is equal to 3 raised to 4. 3 raised to 4 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, which is equal to 9 multiplied with 9, that is equal to 81. So here the ones place number or unit place number is 1. So our answer become 1. Clear? This is the procedure. There is only 3 steps for the number is ending with a 3. Okay, first we consider the exponent, then after that we have to divide this exponent with 4, and we just take the remainder and put the value of this remainder in the place of n, and finding the power of that 3 raised to any number. 3 here is 4, 3 raised to 4, and find the last digit or unit digit of this number. This is the same last digit or unit digit of the our given answer also, okay, given question also, okay. So we move to the another type of problems. Another type of problem, that is 2451 raised to 123 multiplied with 9476 raised to 476, okay. Then definitely here we look for the last digit or ones place number. Here is the ones place number, that is 1. In our part 1 section we know the rule. If a number is ending with 1 or the unit place number is if the number's unit place number is 1, so after calculating or after finding the power of this function or this number, the unit place is also 1. The same rule for 6 also. Here is a 6, so we have to write 6. So 6 is the unit place number or ones place number of this type of this problem after calculating. So there is no need to find the power of this large number, you just use this trick only, okay. So we move to the next problem. 2864 raised to 183 multiplied with 725 raised to 312 multiplied with 181 raised to 793, okay. So here 4, 5 and 1. What is the rule of a 4? If 4 raised to n is an even number, the unit place number is 4, and n is an even number, unit place number is 6, and n is an odd number, unit place number is 4. Here 4, n is n, here n in the place of n is 183, it is an odd number, so we have to write the unit place number is 4 multiplied with, we know the rule of 5, then the unit place number is 5 multiplied with, here is 1, the same rule of 5 also, that is equal to 20. The unit place number become 0, unit digit is equal to 0. For another example, 1841 raised to 259 multiplied with 785 raised to 124 multiplied with 626 raised to 124. Here 1, the unit digit are 1, 5 and 6. After the calculation, here the unit digit become 1, and here is 5 and here is 6, that is equal to 30. After this calculation, the unit digit is equal to 0, okay. So we move to the next problem. That is in the case of 4, if a number is ending with 4 raised to 1239 multiplied with a 9 raised to 2564, okay. Here these 4 and 9 have the same rule. The exponent, if n is equal to 1239, it is an odd number. If n is an odd number, the unit place become 4. In this case, n is equal to 2564. It is an even number in the case of this 9 raised to 2564. So if it is an even number, the unit digit is equal to 6. Clear? Unit digit is equal to 6. So after that, 4 multiplied with the 6 is equal to 24. Then the last digit is 4. This is our 4 is our answer. Clear? In the way we have to solve all the problems using this method. You have any doubt about this trick, please comment on my comment button, and please subscribe my channel. Channel name is Max Logic Solution.